Hello everybody and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to play some Mimo, which is basically a thing where you guys learn how to code. So I do not have any knowledge of how to code, so I'm thinking that it could be interesting to learn. So let's just get right into it. I should probably remember to use my phone and not my computer. Welcome, you're about to learn technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and everything else we'll need to build for the web. Before you realize it, we'll be creating real-life projects. Let's start with HTML. Okay. HTML. I love how you only see... Okay, maybe it's just slow. Well, we'll see how it's gonna go when you continue. HTML is the computer language that structures all the web pages on the internet. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. One of the many things HTML does, it creates buttons. Try the example below. The letters Q, R, and D are all buttons. Okay. Well, yay! I am so good at this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna learn how to do that. To create a button, we use button like button. Okay. So I just press there to make it fast. Yes. Button. Yeah. These are called HTML tags. Try it yourself. Okay. Can I press on the button? I cannot press on the button. But I mean, I made a like button. That's nice. Which is what you guys should do in this video. Trying this again. Most HTML tags come in a pair. They have an opening tag and a closing tag. Opening tags are surrounded by an arrow to the left and an arrow to the right. While closing tags are surrounded by with a slash in between, okay? Try putting these tags in the correct order. Okay. That worked as well, so I'm doing really well. The text that comes between the opening and closing tags is what will appear on the button itself. Try putting together the example below. Okay, yeah, right. Okay. Time to test what you've learned so far. What type of tag is this? Let's end. It's a closing tag. That's it. I am doing really well. I mean, it's beginner. I hope that I would do decent. Which of the bottom tags is spelled out incorrectly? That is correct. Oh. It's this one, but I'm not sure if it's the other one. It's one of the two bottom ones. Yes. Yeah, I thought it was. Okay, good. I'm doing decent. Nice. Remember the previous example. In the next step, we'll create the buttons for Q, R, and D. Well, ignore the rest of the code for now. Okay. Dog again. Okay. Create a button that displays the letter Q. It should look like this. Okay. Okay. So this and button and this Q. This button. This. Well, I cannot. Aw. It's not a quark. Create a button that displays the letter R. Watch out, there are wrong options. Make sure to pick the correct ones. Okay, I see that this wrong. Okay. So again, this one, button, this one, R, this one, button, and this one. Rock. Oh, man. I want it to be that. Okay. Create a button that displays the letter D. This time, type everything manually. Cannot type it manually. Not more than I could before, at least. Button. D, this. Button, this. Dog. Yay! I'm doing great. Okay. Awesome. We've learned how to create the structure of a button. Before we add actions to them, move on to the next lesson to learn about an HTML element present on every web page out there. Okay, I'll do that. Daily goal concurred. Open the safe to get your reward. Okay. Given 20 coins. Nice job reaching your daily goal. Woo! You started a streak. Reach your goal every day to build your streak and get closer to your goal. Well, I'll probably not do this. I can probably do this. Even though I don't have internet. Can I? I don't know. I'll maybe try. Maybe, but I do not know how much I'm going to use my phone while I'm out camping. Which I'm going to do this weekend. Which you guys should know about if you was watching my daily vlog. That is not so daily anymore. You joined a leaderboard. Compete with learners around the world for the most weekly XP. The more you learn, the more XP you earn. Earn. Okay, good. Weekly leaderboard. Compete with the learners around the world for more weekly experience points. I don't know why the music is sounding a bit wrong. Like it's stopping. Oh well. Concur your league. Finish on the top 15 to advance to a higher league. Time is running. You have limited time to get to the top. Result will be ready once the time runs out. Okay. That's the finishing part 1 out of 2. Nice. Well, let's see if we can do a few more. I do see that I'm going to do a lot of cutting for this video. It's probably fine. Oh well. In HTML, the keywords of some tags are obvious, but there are some tags that use a shortened form. For example, we use P for a paragraph, which one of these HTML tags creates a paragraph. P, I would guess. Okay, does not say anything. No. Okay. Let's remember how to code a button. Code a button that has the text post. Okay, right. So that's start with this. Post this. Yes. Nice, okay. Coding a paragraph is very similar to coding a button. You need an opening tag followed by your text and a closing tag. Code a paragraph that displays Mimo is fun. Okay then. Okay, so just this, Mimo is fun. Mimo is fun, yay! Okay. Code hello in between the opening and closing p tags. Oh. So now it seems like I also need to start to write. So that's gonna be interesting. We can create headings in HTML to emphasize certain texts. There are 9 sizes of heading in HTML. H1 to H6. Which one of these HTML tags creates a heading? It's H1. Okay. Code a heading that displays Snapchat. Okay. So it's this, Snapchat, this. Okay. Add the closing tag. The button. Okay. What's this? Accepts. The heading tag emphasizes text by making them bigger and bolder. H1 is the biggest and boldest, and H6 is the smallest and least bold. Which one of these HTML tags creates a smaller heading than H1 or H6? Okay. Code a heading with opening and closing H6 tags. There's little things. There's little things. Code the opening tag for the biggest heading. Well, that's H1. Oh, I need to write it myself now. Okay. H1. Yes. So this for sure starts to make it more complicated, but that's fine. As long as I remember how the stuff works. Which hopefully I will. Code the opening tag for the second biggest heading. H2, yeah, okay. My favorite things. Which one of these HTML tags creates the smallest heading? The smallest is H6. Start a coding habit, set it. No, thank you. Later. Lesson complete. Great job completing the lesson. You are one step further in your goal. Nice. Here I am. I was choosing this picture because I think it's funny. You are strengthening your position. Get to the top 15 to progress to a higher league. Okay. Well, I can at least do a few more. I think. Structuring text with tags. Okay. Sometimes we want to format paragraphs with the line breaks. For example, this song would look much better if raindrops on roses appear on one line, whiskers on kittens on the next, and so on. Roses, whiskers on kittens. Brighter cover kettles, warm woolen mittens. Okay. We can separate lines with the help of the line break tag. BR. Okie dokie. Which one? Those are the head. The top. Okay. Okay. Yes. Nice. Okay, good to know. BR is an empty tag. Empty tags have no closing tag and no content. They are also called self-closing tags. But together the line break tags. Okay. Together the line break tags. Okay, you're right. That is this. Okay. There's an element for giving emphasis to text. It makes it italic. It's called the M element. At M and M. Okay. And then okay then. M. Not exactly sure what I did, but it's okay. To define text as important, we use the strong and strong tags. It makes text bold. That's interesting. Strong. Oh, nice. To be honest, I thought that was like just a B that should be in there for bold. I thought that was how it was working because of that is how I feel like I have been doing it before the homepage. Long time ago. Oh well. What's the BR tag for? That's for the breaking thing. Line break. Which of these tags is an empty or self-closing tag? Well, BR. Which of these tags give emphasis to text? Assist text. Guess it's this one. That's the one I was not understanding what was. Yes. What are the strongest and strong? The strong and strong tags for? Make it bold. They define text as important. Yes. Give emphasis to the album title by adding the opening and closing tags. Emphasis tags. Always this and then this. I just listened to Abbey Road for the first time. Okie dokie, I have no clue what that is. Add a line break to the address between Mimo and Vienna, Austria, such that Mimo appears on one line and Vienna, Austria appears below. Okay. Alright, yeah. Okay. Give emphasis to the word in the second sentence. My friend gets annoyed when I post an italic. I guess it's a bit too right-leaning for them. That's funny. Define rock you as important text by coding strong. We will rock you. Look at them. Nice. I'm doing pretty well. You guys can also not hear this music anymore. That's interesting. Okay. On 10 now. That's nice. Oh wow, that was only one thing. Nice. Let's try the next one. HTML Basics 1. How many paragraphs will this web page have? 2. 2 paragraphs. Yes. Add the missing code tag. Oh no. Oh no. I never thought about this, but I think it's the first one. Okay. I did that well, because if I was not 100% sure when it comes to does it go this way or this way, who knows? Then I was looking on 7 like, yeah, I know. Put the right snippets to make the heading. Okay, the first one is H1, the second is H2, and there's also this one. Video games, console games, mobile games. Give the webpage the biggest heading. That's 1. Hello world. Nice. What's wrong with the webpage? Oh, the first one is already an issue. There's no opening H1. That is true. What's wrong with these emphasis tags? Purple haze. What's wrong with these? Okay. There's the same thing. There's a sign in the opening tag, which isn't supposed to be there. Yes. Code the opening tag that defines text as important. It's a strong one. That's opening. Okay. DR amps, gold shovels, order now only. $29.99. Why is the line break tag an empty tag? Because it has no opening tag. Because it has no closing tag. Because it has no effect on the structure of a web page. No closing tag. Display accept on the button by coding between the opening and closing tags. The accept on the button by coding between the opening and closing. Alright, accept. Terms and conditions. By clicking accept, you agree to helping a friend this weekend. Accept? No way. Code the closing tag of the button display book a room. Okay, it's this button, this. No, that was wrong. That was wrong. This button, this. I was so close to doing wrong. Joe's bed and breakfast. There's nothing more relaxing than booking a room at Joe's B&B. Book a room. What's wrong with this code? Button add to cart button. Nothing wrong. The button's closing tag is missing. No, it's not. The text inside the button element has a space. Oh yeah, that could be. No. Is it? I don't think so. Nothing wrong with the code. Yes, there's nothing wrong. Place the last button below the other by coding BR. H from... Oh. Sign up button. Let's BR this. Welcome to Mimo. Sign up, login. Click the button displaying copy to clipboard next to the other button on the webpage. Place the button displayed copy to clipboard. Next to the other button on the webpage. Just button. Joke of the month. I made a pencil with 2 erasers. It was pointless. Quote, copy to clipboard. Okay, so I am now on 6th place. I would like to get to 1st if I can do that. That would be nice. That would be nice. Okay, so I have 2 options actually. Basic one, create links. Well, I'm just gonna continue this one. Let's take a look at how links work to combine web pages into websites. Click on take a break to use the link. Let's take a look at how links work. Okay, I don't like to press on it. To start creating a link, we add the text in between the A and A tags. This won't highlight the text yet. A stands for anchor tag. Okay. A. Learn to code. To link the text to a web page, we add href equal that. Interesting. Is short for along with the uniform resource local URL. Href is short for hypertext reference. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to learn how to, well, add links. Learn to code. Href is an attribute. All attributes have 2 things in common. They provide extra information and they go inside the opening tag. Attributes are added after the name of the tag and before the closing sign. Attributes are added after the name of the tag. And before the thing, okay. Okay. Not 100% sure if I understand it, but it's fine. We link to a web page by adding equal after the attribute and a URL as a value in between quotes. This is this. Let's try to create a working link. Okay, so that's A, and then it's this, that. Best place to learn to code. What do links do? Link web pages to other web pages and websites. Yes. That is indeed the truth. Oh. Why is the link not working? Because of there's no that. Because it has no this. What happens when a visitor clicks the link on the webpage? What happens when the visitor clicks the link to the webpage? Well, they are going to the link, hopefully. The link directs the user to another website. Yes. What are attributes for to provide additional information about tags? To turn all tags into links. Attributes to provide additional information about tags. Yeah. Yes. Pick the opening tag that makes the link clickable. Add the attribute and its value so that clicking the link direct users to the Facebook webpage. Okay, then. There. Like us on Facebook. Put together the tag to direct users to the Snapchat website. Okay. Repeat this, right? Yes. Type the href attribute. Right. I need to spell. Nice. Okay. 5 6 6 6. Nice. Okay, I will do one more and then that's gonna be it today. Adding an image. HTML also allows us to add images to a web page. Okay. To add images to a web page, we start with the EMG tag. Okay. Drawing of Earthrise. Just like BR, IMG is an empty tag. That means it has no closing tag. Okay, drawing of Earthrise. Okay. So then it'll be this. To display an image tag needs the src attribute. src stands for source. Fair enough. Oh. But did you have a link to it then? Yeah, that has a link. I guess to the picture? Interesting. I'll see if I'm gonna learn how to do that. Like, actually using it. We set the image we want to display with an equal sign. and the image address between double quotes. Okay. Nice. We can use attributes to change the size of images, the width and height. Attributes use pixels as the default unit of measurement. For example, to set the width of this image as 100 pixel, code width equal 100. Okay. That's equal 100. Makes it funny looking. And the height attribute adjusts the height of an image. At the height attribute. I guess I need to spell height. Okay. What makes IMG an empty tag? Let's know that. It has no attributes. It has no closing tag. Just like the other one. How many images will appear on this web page? 2. Nice. Cat and a dog. Nice, a cat and a dog. That's cool. Funny. How can we adjust the height of an image? With the height attribute. How can we adjust the height of an image? Yes. Which attribute do we need to set for the IMG tag? Source. Yes. Set the width attribute of the image to 200. Width is equal to 200. Nice. Pick the correct tag for an image. What's it? I'm not sure right now. No, wrong. It's no. Things like this. I was close to doing it wrong though. Use the correct attribute to set the source of the image. Use the correct attribute to set the source of the image. Oh, I forgot. Or no. 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 Got it. A first mistake is part of learning. You need parts to complete lessons. If you run out, you'll have to wait. Got it. It's SRC. Right. I knew that was looking wrong. Code the height of the image with height equal 100. Code the height of the image. Oh, right. Okay, yeah, okay. I also need to add that. Because the other thing was width equal that here 100 here. Perfect. Okay. So I got to a third place. So that is it for today. I need a break now and need to edit everything. So that you guys enjoyed to watch this video. If you did, feel free to leave a like, comment section down below, or follow me. Until next time, guys, have an amazing time and bye bye.